Welcome to Ivy Woods in North Hills. I'm so excited to show you this gorgeous move-in ready condo, which is maintenance-free living. It's one level and handicap accessible. Let's get inside. This is the heart of the home, an inviting living space with a cozy gas fireplace featuring a custom fascia. Kitchen is completely renovated. Beautiful custom cabinets, sparkling quartz countertops, a stylish tile backsplash, and all stainless steel appliances. It's been completely remodeled so you don't have to lift a finger. Just unpack and enjoy. The bathrooms have all been updated with modern finishes and are ADA compliant for convenience and accessibility. And with spacious bedrooms, you have plenty of room to retreat at the end of the day. HOA takes care of everything: roof, exterior maintenance, snow removal, and also it has a clubhouse. If you're looking for a modern style, peace of mind, and unbeatable convenience, this North Hills condo is the one for you. Don't wait, this is not going to last long.